Google LLC is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising technologies, a search engine, cloud computing, software, and hardware. It is considered one of the 5 big tech companies alongside Amazon, Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft. Google was founded in September 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were PhD students at Stanford University in California. Garena Free Fire, also known as Free Fire Battlegrounds or Free Fire, is a battle royale game, developed by 111 Dots Studio and published by Garena for Android and iOS. It became the most downloaded mobile game globally in 2019. Due to its popularity, the game received the award for the Best Popular Vote Game by the Google Play Store in 2019.